In today's math lesson, we're going to be working with those pairs that make 5 to help us with adding. So the first thing we have to do is remember which pairs of numbers make 5. So let's see if you can beat me to it. Tell me the two numbers. 3 and 2. Tell me the two numbers. 1 and 4. Tell me the two numbers. 2 and 3. The two numbers are 3 and 2. 2 numbers are 4 and 1. 2 and 3. All right, so now we are going to be working on something that's kind of tricky. And that is this thing here. That is an equal sign. It means the same as. So whatever we have on this side has to be the same as whatever we have on this side. So 5 is the same as 5. So I can't say 6 because 5 is not the same as 6. And I can't put a 2 over here because 2 is not the same as 5. So on this side we have to have 5. And on this side, we have to have 5. So if 5 is the same as 5, we learned that 1 and 4 equals 5. So we have 5 on this side, and we have 5 on this side. Or we could do it the other way around. 5 is the same as 1 and 4. And if you don't believe me that 1 and 4 is 5, well, take out your fingers and figure it out. So now we could think of some numbers that we can put in this box. You can do that for me. If we have to have 5 on this side, because there is 5 on this side, what are some numbers we can put in here? We could do 2 and 3. You could pick some other numbers. This is not right. 5 is not the same as 5 and 1 more. We can do something to this side to make it right. If we put 1 more on this side, then we have to put 1 more on this side. Now they're the same. 1 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 1. We just have to make sure that this means this side has to be the same as this side. So let's figure out what number would go in here. 5 is the same as 5, but 5 is not the same as 5 plus 2. What do we have to put over here to make this side the same as this side? 5 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 5. If we have 5 plus 7, that's the same as 5 plus 7. 5 plus 12 is the same as 5 plus 12. And you get it. What number should go over here? And I did too many examples. This is a little harder. What we have to remember that this side has to be the same as this side. So we want to figure out the magic number that goes in this box. Well, we can do that because, hey, we have 5 on this side. We also have 5 on this side. I hope you can figure out which one of these two numbers, which two of those numbers make 5. I hope you said 4 and 1. So we have 5 over here, and we have 5 over here. So what do we have on this side that we don't have on this side? Over here we have a 2. So to make this side the same as the other side, we have to put a 2 over here. So now we have 5 plus 2 is the same as 5 plus 2. Okay, same idea. If we have 5 on this side, do we have 5 on this side? You should know which two numbers make 5. 2 and 3. Now we want to know what's going in here. We have a number on this side that we don't have on this side. So here we have a 4, which means over here we need to have a 4. So now we have 5 on this side, 5 on this side, 4 on this side, 4 on this side. Now our sides are the same. Let's hide some of these. Okay, 5 on this side. Which numbers make 5 on this side? 2 and 3. Which number do you have left over? 1 on this side. Put 1 on this side. Here we have 5. Which two numbers over here make 5? Oh, we haven't practiced these, but you should know it's 5 and 0. So we have 1 on this side, but we don't have 1 on this side yet. Now we will. 5 and 5, 1 and 1. 5 on this side. Which two numbers make 5 on this side? 5 on this side. So here we have a 5. 5 is the same as 5. What number is the same? 3. So 5 plus 3 is the same as 5 plus 3. Why do we need to do that? Because it helps us with adding. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is the same as 5. Where do you see your 5 up here? Here's 5. It's the same as 5 plus 1. Here's our leftover. So now we have to figure out what 5 plus 1 is. So I would say the fastest thing is to know it in your head. But if you can't, grab the 5, count one more. 5, 6. This is annoying. Which two numbers make 5 on this side? We have 4, 4, and 1. We should know that 4 and 1 make 5. So 5 is the same as 5. What number do we have missing? We have this one, 4. Grab the 5, count 4 more, and you should get 9. Which two numbers make 5? 5 and 0. 5 plus 6 plus 0 is the same as 5 plus 6. I would grab the 6, count 5 more. Makes 11. Can you do it without me saying so? Five is the same as 4 and 1, which means you have 2. 5 plus 2 more, 5, 6, 7. Two and 3 make 5. 2 left over. 5 plus 2, 7. Now can you do it without the extra step? Same thing. 3 and 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. 4 and 1 is 5. 5 plus 3. Grab the 5, count 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Which two numbers make 5? 5 and 0. So grab the 5, count 2 more. 5, 6, 7. Which two numbers make 5? 2 and 3. So you grab the 5, count 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which two numbers make 5? 3 and 2. Grab the 5, count 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you could see me, I'm actually grabbing and counting. So we have 2 pages in our math book, page 69 and 70. On the top of page 69, we find practice finding the numbers that make 5. On the bottom, we find the 2 numbers that make 5. 4 and 1 make 5, so now we have 3 left over. 4 and 1 is same as 5, and now 3 is going to be the same as 3. And we've practiced this as well. And I didn't give you anything to practice in Splash Math or ABC, yeah. You could practice addition or subtraction, ABC, yeah, or Splash Math, up to you. Okay, that's math for today.